Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to get a Binance debit card. First, you'll need an active and verified Binance account. This means completing the Know Your Customer, or KIC, process, which typically involves identity verification. Currently, the Binance card is available in limited regions, such as Brazil. Once these initial steps are complete and you confirm regional availability, you're ready to proceed with the application, which is a straightforward process designed for ease of use. To begin your application, log into your Binance account and find the card section, usually located in the main menu. Click on Get Started or Apply Now to initiate the process. You'll be guided through a few simple steps, requiring you to confirm your personal information, such as your name and address. Double-check all details for accuracy before submitting, as this ensures a smooth and quick approval process for your new card. Once approved, funding your Binance card is simple. You can transfer supported cryptocurrencies directly from your spot wallet to your card wallet. When you make a purchase, your crypto is automatically converted to the local fiat currency at the point of sale. This allows you to spend your digital assets just like traditional money, accepted at over 60 million merchants globally, both online and in physical stores, offering great flexibility. The Binance card offers several advantages, including zero administrative fees, making it cost-effective for daily use. You can also earn cashback rewards on eligible purchases, typically ranging from 0.1% to 8%, depending on your BNB holdings. Always monitor your transactions through the Binance app for security and to track your spending. This card provides a convenient way to utilize your crypto assets in the real world.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.